Good morning, everyone. Hope all is well. See if I can do that. Okay, so this is a crazy market this week. All of the tariffs are tariff talk, the bounce between tariffs on all these other countries and then pulling back from it and giving an extension. It's just been a roller coaster of emotion. I think the VIX has been above 20 all week, if I'm not mistaken. So, just looking at market profile, the profile from yesterday, value of IWM has dropped and price as well. I mean, almost a doji candle, I believe that's what it's called, where we pretty much closed where we opened. So there's some indecision there, and that's probably why VIX is extremely high. Prices are also high as well on the put side. There is a lot of sell side and buy side orders on the books. Um, right now, and they're both looking like they have staying power. I do like to fade down because of what other participants have done in this price point before. So for that to be accurate or for us to be right on direction, I would prefer to see us pop higher, maybe in a 205.40 area, because that's where a lot of the orders are currently on the books. There's also buy side on 204.60 to 204.40 with sell side on the 205.20 or 205.10 now, all the way up to 205.50, where it looks like some staying power as well. With VIX being so high and prices being so high, and I'm sure at cash open we're going to see a weird spread until they adjust. We're gonna have to just play it, let the market take us where. Yeah, and then another, see, 205.20 is really popping up with a lot of sell side orders. So again, it's a guide. It's not a decision maker, but it's interesting. Right at 205.30, 205.20 to 205.50 is heavy volume on the books. So I'm expecting a pop into that area at least if we are going to fade it down. 205.20 just can't continues to pop into the books with a lot of staying power. But then you also have 204.40 that's popping in too. And we're close to 204.40. I don't like to buy because of what we saw on the profile, more sell side with 50 seconds until cash open. Let's see where the price takes us. Again, if we can pop into the 205.20 area, then that looks like that's where a lot of the heavy sell side is at. So I may switch right now. I got 204s in my watch list. If we pop in, to 205.20 area, then I will be looking for 205. But right now, I'm looking at 204s to enter. All right, 10 seconds until cash open. Let's see if we pop to 205.20. It looks like we're trying to, and market is opening now. See what price look like too. Ooh, price is expensive. One, ooh, that drop. That's gonna be too hard to catch. Let's see if it pops higher first to try to catch it, but I don't like that initial drop. No warning. And prices are $140 per contract. All right, we're trying to pop higher. Let's see if we get a pop higher than a rejection down. So just be patient. If it just continues to fall, then it's gonna be hard to catch it. 205.10 is coming in hot on the books. 205 even as well, flat. Okay. So we are popping. Still prices are heavy though. All right, I'm entering 204 puts. 126 is my entry. That's a good price. It's pretty heavy on the books too. 129. So we're in profit. 126 is my entry. Getting close to 136. 204.56 would be, that should be it right there. Okay. 126, 136, I'm sorry, is my first take profit. All right, we got $10. Oh, that thing is falling. That thing is falling. The sellers are there. Yeah, so what I say, 205 flat was on the books and it hit. And it is hitting. And it is hitting. They are dropping like crazy. All right. I just hit my second TP. That was late on the books, but just hit the second TP, so I am out. TOS has been having a lot of issues with updating order books. I know some of you guys are using TOS as well, maybe because of the VIX being so high, but the order book has not been updating quickly. Yep, no working orders. All right, I'm hearing a lot of people message. Yep, hit right that 205 flat area. So the initial drop, it was hard to catch. We wasn't going to catch that. When price went back up to that 205 flat, hit those orders again. And now there's a lot of sell side orders coming in as well. So I don't think they're done. But the first sign of resistance is coming up to 204.12. So I would, if you're still in, maybe move your stop to lock in some profit because they're still dropping. Yep. So it looks like a big buy order just came on the books. So I would take everything now if you haven't. And we come to the first sign of resistance to 204.12. Yeah, big buy order just came in. So they're done selling, at least for the moment. You know, 205 hit right on the books. And we kind of can see that right before cash opened too at 925. There's still a big sell order just came in at 204.70 and 204.80, but they don't have a lot of staying power, so I wouldn't trust it. They're flashing, not staying on the books permanently. That's more manipulation, or it could be iceberg too. But as of right now, it's flashing, so it's not a lot of staying power. And we can see that in order flow as well. Yep. So that big buyer that came in at 204.12 or 204.30, I believe it was, is it could be take profit or it could be a reversal, but um 9 times out of 10 take profit sometime reverses because then the DC panic starts to set in and could reverse the entire market. All right, there is a huge order that just popped in at 205.20, but there's no staying power, so I'm not gonna trust that either. That 205 flat, we caught that nice drop down. It didn't last the whole 5 minutes, but all right, let me move over to the Discord chat. See how you guys did. Were you able to catch it? Let's see. TOS is having issues today. Anybody who does trade with TOS for your as your broker, are you guys having the same Same issue with the order book not updating. Let's see. Good sound. Thank you for that sound check. I'm using my snowball again today, so hopefully that's better. Yesterday I used the some cheap stuff, so I don't even know what the name brand was. All right, let's see what you guys did. 204 puts, yep, got filled at 132, so not too bad. From mine's a bit high, but it definitely profited. Oh, there's a big order on the books now. 205.10, 204.90. Looks like it got staying power. And we can see that happening in the charts too on order flow. Yep, it got hit. It got some staying power to it. So maybe they're not done selling. All right, sweet. Russell, were you able to get your TOS? They finally funded you? Oh, you did the prop. Okay, I'm sorry. I know TOS takes a long time to settle when you deposit. So same for me. All right, so 200 on the prop. Good job, Russell. Fire that. Big hit. Pine Q. 232 to 247. Awesome. Oh, you no longer using VPN, right? Texas Jetty? I think you said you switched out of that. Here you all missed the call. Hopefully I called it. I said I was in and I gave the field price. Did my mic glitch out? 125 in, 137 out. Trail stop got hit. Okay. Profit. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, they're still in there too. They're pushing higher. I mean, I don't know if you want to chase it, but there was a big sell that came in. It looked like it got some staying power. Uh, User on the wrong account. Okay. Okay. 125 to 147. Definitely fire that up. Oh, you on a different laptop, Text Jetty. A few of y'all missed the call. So I'm sorry, I'm seeing a bunch of yeses. Did my mic glitch out for a second when I called it out? I don't know if that's a yes that it did glitch or I'm sorry.
Morning, David.
Hey, good morning.
Quick call yesterday. So what happened was you slightly, just very slightly, as you said, entering the instruction set. It glitched a tiny bit, but I mean, I still knew you were entering, but it sounds like some people weren't 100% sure, so they didn't pull the trigger. I guess that's what
Oh,
you were saying.
okay. I'm sorry about that, y'all.
It
Normally
was a
my
small, it was small. I mean, it just cut out on a couple of words, but it was still very clear that you were entering the trade. So,
okay.
um,
Yeah, that's
yeah,
surprising because I'm using my trusty snowball too. So I'm sorry that happened. It looks like few of you all were able to catch it though. Thanks for that,
yeah,
Russell. Yeah, appreciate
yep.
it. Let me go
Hey,
through this.
thanks for the nice trade. It was good.
Yeah. Good way to end the week. I mean, this has been a rocky one. Rocky trading week with, I mean, extreme emotion. So yesterday we gave back some of the profit from what Monday and Wednesday. We didn't play a Tuesday. And looks like we got that back. Some of you all were able to do a great call. Yeah, thank you. You're very welcome. Again, sorry for the glitch, guys. I apologize for that. Lag on the update. Missed the call. Okay, some of you all were able to catch it. 135 to 146 and then 149. Awesome. 133. Okay, so okay. Yeah, I apologize. 133 to 143. Awesome. Yep, you're welcome. 500 on the day, Bruce F. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like it was on my end, Pine Q for sure. Okay, 132 to 142 and 130. I guess yeah, okay, so your second part got stopped. And I think it may be because I'm using the Bookmap app and not through TD Ameritrade. That could be why I glitched out. So I was fine before the call out. It's a horrible time to glitch. If I was fine before I called it out. 133 to 145. Awesome. $200 win day. You're very welcome. Yeah, that's a fine time to call it out, right? I mean, for the glitch when I'm calling out the that I'm entering. So I wonder, was I fine? Was my voice fine before the call out, or was I glitching the entire time? That sucked the timing if it was.
It was literally two words, David. It was like literally you've been absolutely crystal clear. It was literally just two words and like a
Okay.
sentence about you entering.
Wow.
So, of course.
Wow. Yeah, terrible timing, right? And I'm guessing only thing different for me today is I'm using the desktop version of Mac Bookmap instead of inside of TOS. That could have been, but if I was fine before that, then
You're crystal
horrible.
clear. There's nothing
Yeah.
cutting out. It was just pure bad luck.
Yeah, horrible timing. Horrible timing.
Yeah.
Great job again. Okay, cool. I'm sorry for the ones that missed it. Happy for the ones that did. Okay. Right after, yeah. You missed it again. You missed the one from the other day. What was the one that you missed? It's like I missed the call again. 204 puts. Yep, David. My fill was 126. Okay. And I'm sounding fine right now, which is the horrible timing. All right, good trade. Yeah, I'm ready for the VIX to settle down too. It's been a crazy, emotional roller coaster of a week. In at 123, out at 134. Awesome. Yeah, that may be an option to put it in the chat. The only thing is that's a more of a delay than voice. And on top of that, if you're doing market orders, you're not gonna, that's more against you as far as like getting closer to my entry. Monday is another day. Right. Yep, exactly, Russell. It's gonna be more of a delay. You're very welcome. Have a great weekend. Awesome way to end the week. Sucks that it cut out right as I was entering. What we did two Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today. So 4 out of 5 with one loss. Great way to start the trading month and the trading week. Let's see if this starts another run for us. Yesterday ended the run. Okay. Yeah, it was definitely on my end. Actually, let me put this over here. Uh, Trying to get things organized in TOS. Made 133 and got out of one foot for your first time. Awesome profit. Very nice. Yep. Count preservation day. I love those. I like them just as much as I do making money because I know I ain't lose anything. No, missed the call. Yeah, it sucks that it happened right then. This wasn't up sure of the price. So you can tell that I entered, just wasn't sure of my fill price. Blue Devil, your fill was 10 cent higher. David, you use TradeStation, right? If I'm not mistaken. So 9 cent higher than $9. Yeah, that's pretty high. Again, I mean, it could be a couple factors. I haven't used TradeStation in a while, but it could be what the available price is from the time you press the button. It could be TradeStation has default settings to delay entries. You know, TOS has that as a default, so you have to change it. Yep, Fed speaks at 12:30, but my rule is anytime after 12. I still am looking to participate anytime before 12, whether it's Fed or the president or anybody else, then I won't touch the market at all. That's a rule that I stick with no I don't wave from that. Voice is the way to do it for sure. I think so too. I think we tried it the first day on through typing it and it didn't work as well. And I agree. Voice is it's a lot easier for me to do it, so I prefer voice. Robinhood only allows limit orders. Does Robinhood also allow you to do brackets? Because I think I've heard someone say Robinhood doesn't allow you to protect your account or protect your investment with a stop, which is very dangerous. I think that was Robinhood. I maybe mistaken. That's a good suggestion, Jamal. I may repeat it twice. Yeah, I like that. I'll make sure I do that. I'll write a note. I'll say it twice. It will be a delay on the second time though, if you didn't catch it the first. So just be aware of that. But that's a good suggestion. Thank you. Super Green, awesome, Pine Q. Fire that for sure. Yep, have a good weekend. Old style, I like that. I like that name. I gotta come up with a better name. Some of y'all got some good Discord names. TOS sucks as far as like settling. Well, not TOS, not the application, but the broker, Charles Schwab. They take forever. I think it's up to a week to settle deposits. So yeah, it's a long time. Yeah, that's true. You're not gonna get this some. It's tough. I mean, because I press the button and then I'm saying it as I'm pressing it, but my orders are gonna go in faster than yours. It's always gonna be a delay. But as I'm entering, I'm actually as I'm saying it, literally pressing the button to get in. Yeah, no loss. It's still clear when I enter. Okay. Enter now. Yeah, the wording. That sounds good. I mean, I like that suggestion. Yeah, I like that suggestion. But I also like to like enter, just say I'm entering now and then I'm gonna fire that because I like that suggestion. And then call out my field price as well. 260. All right, Russell. Awesome. Tasty. Oh, Tasty was the one that doesn't allow you to do bracket. Oh, that's risky in my opinion. You got to protect your investment. Just because you invest, let's just say $1,000 to invest doesn't mean you risk $1,000. Without a stop, you could potentially risk that whole investment. I don't risk my entire investment. Yeah, you are very welcome. You're old. Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader. Now, Ninja Trader is good for what I hear. I've never used it, but Ninja Trader is. I've heard a lot of great things about it. All right. All right. I have a few minutes before I have to get ready for an appointment. I need a much needed haircut. So, is there anything before I jump off? If I would show you a picture of me right now, you would think I was homeless, how much I need a haircut. Oh, a digital siren. Yep, you're welcome. Yeah, that 1-3-2, 1-2-3 go. You talk about a delay. I I try to minimize the delay as much as possible. Obviously, the voice is great, but as I'm saying I'm entering, I'm literally pressing that button. So that yeah, that thing is that I forgot who suggested. It's funny, but I think they were trying to be funny, hopefully. Uh yeah, that reversal. Are you saying now? Oh, now. So they ended on the third now or the second now? But yeah, I like the suggestion of just saying it twice. Yeah. I wrote that down. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. TOS workstation. I think it's in unless someone has it to give, but if you go to the useful videos, I believe one of those videos show you exactly how I have it set up. I go through each setting. Nope. No, I'm in and out first 30 minutes of the market. I don't have time to sit and look at the market throughout the day. And the way I was taught or trained to trade from my mentor as well as my affiliation, the first 30 minutes is where the money is made. And I like that. So you can make your money first 30 minutes and go about your day. I'd rather have that lifestyle than sit in front of a monitor all day. Yeah, let me look real quick which video it is, and I'll posted the link on here. I believe it's on here. Give me 2 seconds. I have the active trader set up as well, so I think it's a couple different videos. There's the workstation, and then there's the active trader one, I believe. I got a couple active traders, it looks like it. Oh, I got how to set up a bracket. Oh, so it's like three different ones. I don't think I have it on here. I don't see it. Um, unless somebody just shared it, give me some time to find it and I'll post it to the group. I thought it was in it, or I'll add it to the useful videos. Appreciate it, Blue Devil. Yeah, and I'll if I don't see the video in the useful chat in the useful videos, but I'll later this evening I'll post it to that channel. All right, looks like everybody's good. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. Great way to start the trading month. Again, we did take gave some of that profit back yesterday, but we made up for it today. And let's see if today will start another run for us. And hopefully next week the market will calm down too. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day and weekend. We'll be back at it on Monday. Bye.